And I've got a lot of cash, but I don't have any metals. So that's one way to do it, which means if you can't touch it, you don't own it.
Not everybody is of the opinion that global recession is coming. But those that deals with fact and figures, they've already seen global recession. But wait a second. People doesn't really care about your opinion concerning any matter. People tend to go with facts and figures. I know some of you might have seen some scary economic and financial data which has caused some level of uncertainty in the market, where instant news release will cause a massive sell-off. I know you must have seen what happened to Tesla stock, but we are not here to talk about that. When you're seeing a lot of uncertainty in the market, most especially in the banking sector.
Based on information released on August 26th by the CBIRC, the China Banking and Insurance Regulatory Commission, the commission has allowed 2 rural banks in Liaoning province to enter bankruptcy proceedings, which is tantamount to officially declaring the bankruptcy of the 2 grassroots village banks.
What should you do then? In that particular case, cash is king. I know you heard me right. Cash is king. Cash is king in this 2023 economy. And I'm not talking about cash in your bank.
This woman is about to rob a bank. She's using a toy gun, but those inside don't know that, and they're terrified. It's also not a typical bank heist, and it's not the only one to have happened recently in Lebanon. Sally and her sister took their own money from the bank. They wanted it to pay for their sister's cancer treatment.
And I know in months to come, you will appreciate what I'm talking about. I'm going to tell you for free. A lot of people are not ready for what is coming.
Should he go to jail because people need money from him while he has money in the bank? He wants what is rightfully his. Good luck to him. We Lebanese people stand in solidarity with anyone who has rights. There's no violence, no destruction, nothing. The security forces know we're right. This is why they're not doing anything.
Hold on a second. For some of you that look up to some gurus or financial experts in the finance world, look very well, because most of those advice or guidelines that they are going to give you to invest might not work this time. Let it not be that the blind is leading the blind. That would be so catastrophic. I know a lot of the people that watch me probably have bank accounts, if not all. And do you know that that money sitting in your bank account is not actually your money if you have not withdrawn it? Yes, you heard me right. It's not actually your money. This is very important. Banks in the world are having liquidity issue. That means they are not having enough money to run the system. So what now happens if they are not having enough money to run the system? What you are going to see next is limit of withdrawal. That means they are going to place a specific limit to the amount you can withdraw per time on that specific account you've opened with them. And in some cases, they might likely freeze your bank account. And that is not something that is new in the finance world, because the money in the bank is not really yours. I guess you know where I'm going with this video. Don't ever think that your money is secured in the bank. So this is a bit of a backstory. I went to the bank one day and I was doing my normal transactions, and this guy walked in and he wanted to withdraw $1,000 US. Listen to me carefully, $1,000 US. And the bank told him that they don't have $1,000 US to give to him. So what does that tell you? That means the bank is having a liquidity issue. And this is not just for him. When you start seeing scenarios like that and there is no bailout from the central bank, the next point of call is to apply bailing. That means they are coming for your money. Hold on a second. Have you checked out some key economic indicators like the CPI, interest rate, inflation rate, unemployment? And look at the global supply chain. It's broken, and there are several reasons why that is happening. Does that tell you that we are in for a recession? Alright, you can answer it for yourself. Some people are still on the denial phase though. The question is, are you ready for what is coming? If you are, comment down below. Thanks for staying till now. Do well to give the video a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I am smart. Definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out.